Hi everyone. In this problem, we will be proving that this line is parallel to a third side of a triangle, right? For us to prove that, we need to find the ratio of these sides all over this side if we have a same ratio. Like for instance, we need to check if the ratio of AD to DB is equal to the ratio of AE to EC, or to check if the ratio of AD to AB is equal to the ratio of AE to the ratio of AC, right? Or the third one, we can check that the ratio of DB to AB is equal to the ratio of EC to AC. We can prove using those three ratios. If we find that those three ratios for this side are equal to those three ratios for this side, then we can make a conclusion that DE is parallel to BC, right? So in the first thing, we are going to check the ratio of AD to DB. We are going to check if the ratio of AD all over DB is equal to AE all over EC, right? And then we found that AD is 12 centimeters and DB is 5 centimeters, right? And when we simplify it, it just gives us 12 over 5, right? And then when we try to find the ratio for AE all over EC, remember we used the top all over the bottom. So this side we must also use what? The top all over the bottom. So when we look at the top here, AE is how much? Is 24 centimeters. The bottom is just 10 centimeters. And then when we simplify it out, it will give us what? 12 over 5, right? So when we check this ratio, AD all over DB is equal to 12 over 5, and also the ratio of AE all over EC is also 12 over 5. That means these two are equal, right? They are both equal to 12 over 5. Since we have proven that this ratio all over this ratio is equal to this ratio all over that ratio, we can therefore conclude that DE is equal to BC. And the reason that you're going to use there is line divides sides of a triangle proportionally, right? We've tested using these two ratios. We can also use the very same thing by testing if the ratio of AD to AB is equal to the ratio of AE to AC, right? So when we use that ratio, we find that AD is 12 centimeters, and then AB, when we add 12 plus 5, it gives us 12 plus 5 will give us how much? It will give us 17, right? So we are going to have AD, which is 12, and then AB, which is 17 there. And then when we simplify it out, it will give us 12 over 5. And then when we check for, it's 12 over 17, and when we simplify it out, it will give us 12 over 17, right? That's the ratio of the top all over the whole side. We must also check the ratio of the top all over the whole side for this side, right? So AE will be how much? AE is just 24, and then when we add AE and EC to get AC, we get that AC is equal to 34, right? We have 24 all over 34, which will give us 12 over 17, right? And then when we check these two ratios, they are equal, right there. So we can make a conclusion that this line DE is parallel to BC, and we are going to use the very same reason, line divides sides of a triangle proportionally, right? We can also do it for the third ratio, which is the bottom all over the whole for this side, and also the bottom all over the whole side for this side. It will give you the very same answer. Thank you.